Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jingyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Kamukam College long kakot admission haki degree but diploma course ban long chef hotelier but kiway ban dep khap mania fila ban call haki niki number.
Menteri Rangba Kejala Mizoram ulal du homa ulapan banapat ba ka Mizoram menta kadai Kejala ka Nyngkong hari India. Kaba baro kinong snong kila nanglot ban Thoh ban Pule bat omdon Shuh uweru ubam nang ban Thoh ne ban Pule. Ulapan banaya kani ha ka jialang ha Mizoram University ha kabala donlang menteri katanat puli puthi jong ka sarkar India Jayan Chaudhary menteri rangba ulong ba menta ka jala Mizoram ka phakmat kumno ban kantiu Shuh ya ka puli puthi sa hakarkom jong ki digital kumno ban pania ya ki pisa tingka bat kumno ban nang ban sengkam sengjam ki bahab banle da ka jingstad menteri ka sarkar India ru ula jingero ya ka Mizoram namarba kadai ka Nyngkong kabalala ban penurlong ya ka ulasnav Bharat Saksharta Karyakram menteri rangba ka Mizoram ula buram ya kani siya menteri katanat puli puthi Dr. Vanlal Thalana bala Treshitom ban Sandur kumno ban kenti usted ya ka puli puthi ha Mizoram. Katkum ka census jong usnam arajar khatway ka literacy rate jong ka Mizoram ka day khandai phuway point laipulai % bat ka bat ya ka kardan ka balai ha kari India barokaway hanrei ka Mizoram ka wat chanu ki ja ki pra percentam bat manu kita namarba ka kwa ban longbet shispa na ka shispa kumta ha ka jingwat benya kalalab bagi don lai hajar arpunrewot ki brio ki bamnang Thoh nang Puli kumta kalabu arspa khandai pu arngot ki nong hikai ki badon kamon sngobha ban trei ban hikai yekini bat menta kala urlong bat kala kelalong kari ka Nyngkong India ya ka ba omdan Shuh ki brio ki bamnang Thoh nang Puli.
First fully literate state in the country. Well, it has been a long journey over the years, and it was due to the contribution made successfully by the successive governments and officials that we have reached at this stage today. I thank for all those who contributed for this effort, and I'm proud of them, and I'm proud that this happened under the able leadership of our education minister, a young and dynamic leader that we have. It's a rare privilege for him as well to be a minister at this occasion. Yeah. So I'll let him say also something.
I feel very privileged to be here at this moment, and as our Honorable Chief Minister has said, it's a collected effort that is being done by the previous governments, and we are just here to plug the fruit. They have plowed the fields, they have done the groundwork, and we are here to take the glory. So we have to talk about the previous governments also, and all the officials that has done the work day in and day out to make this moment so momentous, and the first in India, the first among the states in India. Thank you, sir.